Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact OneMain Financial customer service. So first, you need to open any of the web browser. In the top, there is address where you need to type down onemainfinancial.com and enter it. And once inside this home page, you need to scroll a bit down. And over here, once you find this Help Center under the support, open that. So over here, you can find the commonly asked question about the personal loans. You can also open it. And over here, what you can do is scroll a bit down. And if you have any issue with your personal and auto loans, loans from a dental office, loans from a home contractor, you can simply open it. So from here, you need to select a topic. You can simply select a topic. And after that, if you find any relatable issue, what you can do is you can click over here under the question. And from here, you can find the instruction here. And if you still need help, you can simply call to this number. And before contacting this number support, make sure you have your account information ready for your verification. And that is it. That is how you can contact OneMain Financial Customer Service. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.